If you love beautiful quilts, well, you're in luck. We have a beautiful one for you today, and you may have seen this before, but in completely different fabrics. This quilt is called Riviera Rose, designed by Nancy Rink, and this time it's colored in Farmer's Daughter. This is a collection by Laundry Basket Quilts, and they designed for Andover Fabrics. Beautiful screen printed quality fabrics. It's been a while since we've offered the Riviera Rose, so it was the perfect time to reintroduce this quilt in a completely different palette. When I looked at this all put together in real life, it reminds me so much of New England. I don't know if it's the kind of those brick colors, the rich colors, or maybe it's kind of that almost that touch of reproduction, but it's not. Whatever it is, it's stunning. Here's the great news. We have just enough fabric here to make the sample quilts. And what that means for you is you don't have to dig too deep in your pocket to get the entire cost of that kit today. If you're like, okay, I love the combination of patchwork with applique, just like I do, all you need to do is make a $10 deposit. That's it. Then we get busy. Fabric comes in, we get everything cut perfectly, including this incredible pre-fused laser cut applique, all of that. There's no tracing and no cutting for you. To me, that just skips the chore and I get straight to the fun. And we've even included a layout for you so you can be using that in conjunction with the Wafer 2 light pad so that you can get all of your beautiful shapes with your layout diagram underneath. These light boxes, the Wafer 2, used to be over $200. The new Wafer 2 light pad is under $100. Hello. When was the last time a new product came out that was half the cost of the previous one and does a great job? So if you held back before on getting a light pad, a bigger one, this is a great chance to do that. I can't believe the price, and I don't know when those are going to go up. So grab that while that's a great price. So on the table here with me today are the notions that we use. I'll touch on that just briefly because really this is just about precise cutting and a 1/4 inch seam allowance. There's no specialty rulers. It's really just the joy of doing patchwork, and then set off by the beautiful applique. And just a reminder, heat and bond light is what we use on the back of our shapes. We get that ironed down to the background, but remember that's temporary, and that's why we have a 7-piece thread set for you to stitch down all of those shapes. And we've done a really pretty stitching here. I see we have a little bit of a blanket stitch, some of it straight stitch, or choose your favorite stitch. But I just love that symphony, that combination of patchwork and of course the applique. Be sure to pick up the Applifuse mat as well. And if you're like me and want a little bit of assistance keeping true to that 1/4 inch seam allowance so that all of those points keep coming out beautifully, be sure to pick up the seam guides. But what's the most important thing? I can hear you out there saying it. Head to the Shabby website right now. These kits are often selling out within just a day. Be sure to make that deposit toward this beautiful quilt kit, a small deposit toward your backing, your thread set, and any notions you might need.